Whilst the car body is being given its final clear coat in paint, the bumpers are produced in the plastic operations department, utilizing low energy and low waste injection molding procedures and a very efficient paint application technique to create high quality and durable paint finishes, which minimizes any environmental impact. From the paint production process, the car body is transferred to the assembly frame department, where it begins the final stage of the manufacturing process. And it's a procedure that requires the highest levels of coordination, planning and cooperation between associates. Key to the assembly frame stage is making sure that the hundreds of thousands of parts, from the smallest of washers to the seats and steering wheel, arrive at the right place, at the right quality, and at the right time in the assembly process. That's where the material logistics department comes in. Delivering over 1 million components to 200 locations around the plant each day requires an extensive level of coordination. Honda even has its own internal road system to support over 600 truck deliveries required each day to bring supplies from its parts storage facility to the main plants. The first task for the associates in assembly frame is to remove the doors from each painted body shell to allow easy access to the inside of the car during the production process. The separated doors join their own sub-assembly line to be reunited with exactly the same car body later in the process. With the doors removed, vital components are systematically added to the car body. This includes the instrument panel, which has been pre-assembled in an area adjacent to the main production line. With the instrument panel in place, the windscreens and fuel tank are added. Associates ensure the highest levels of quality are maintained in the assembly process, and that is why so few robots are used at this stage. In the meantime, the front and rear suspension sub-assemblies are matched together with the engine that has been transferred from the engine plant and installed into its pre-assigned car body. More exterior trim is attached, seats inserted, the completed doors are reunited with the car body, and the wheels and tyres are added. And to make the production task even more challenging, there are hundreds of model type options made to satisfy customer requirements. The completed car nears the end of the production line, with all its components added. The engine is started for the first time, and the car is put through a series of final quality tests. Every car is dynamically tested on a purpose-built 1.4-kilometre test track, which features an assortment of European road surfaces, including Belgian cobbles. A selection of cars also undergo a series of more rigorous simulated tests. Through these final processes, associates are able to maintain the highest standards of quality and ensure that any final adjustments are made to the car before they're shipped for delivery to their destinations, ready for years of happy motoring for Honda customers. Honda in Swindon. World-class manufacturing for a global market.